Hey Mike, how you doing? Can you hear me all right? Let me test the sound, make sure it's good. Yeah, let me fix that. Thank you. Yeah, that's got to be annoying. Testing out a new setup. So it should be in mono now. Let me know otherwise. Thanks for that. All right, let's make this text bigger. Yeah, I was doing some test recordings earlier and everything was coming out of the left channel. I'm like, what the heck? And then with this new mic, that's what it does. Um, so what I want to do today is one of the challenges that I have with running most apps. Oh, just a second, mute myself. There we go. One of the problems I've run into is that I'll be building an app. Why? Why is this using? So this is just a real simple app. There's really nothing to it. Um, but the problem that I run into is that I'll be running a Vapor app at the same time. So this is super. Where was it? Yeah, this one. Super simple hello world stuff, right? Let's see if I can run this. Sure, there's something I'm missing here. Yeah, so if we look, let me make that bigger. I wonder if I can switch these panes. So we get this problem down here at the bottom. Can't connect a server, right? Okay, well, let's start the server up. So this is a really simple Vapor app. Nothing, no frills or anything like that. But the problem that I run into is I'll be running this on an actual device, and might not necessarily be using the same localhost 8080 every time. What is this? Oh, the server. Is that dependency? It's not a dependency. Why is it trying to build that code? Let's take a look. Oh, I see what it's doing. Yeah, let's get rid of this for now. And yep, we'll get rid of that. We're not ready for that yet. Cool, so now we start the server. And let's run the app again on the iPhone. Yeah, so there we go, it worked. But the problem ends up being is that if I run this on an actual device, I don't necessarily have access to 127.0.0, whatever is set up here. Let's take a look. Nope, we'll take a look here. Yeah, this is not always going to be correct. This is especially true when I'm running on an actual physical watch. So what I end up having to do is run Ngrok. So let's pull up Ngrok real quick, just in case you don't know what that is. Ngrok, if you're not familiar with Ngrok and you have questions, let me know. But the idea with Ngrok is that it will create a tunnel for you to be able to just get a quick domain name. So let's put this. So you can run a simple command. Where is the API? Yeah, here you go. Put localhost on the internet, and then that way, like, I can run a dev server on my machine, and then it automatically knows where that is. You just type in a simple command. Let's see, getting started. It's even simpler than this, honestly. I think you do have to log in through the command, but the important part is that if you want to start a tunnel, you just say ngrok http 8080, and then it gives you a domain name. So let's go ahead and do that. Close other tabs, and then we're gonna get rid of this, and we're going to share a picture of the terminal. Cool. So we have our server running still. Let me just make sure. We have the app running. We have our server running. Okay, great. So the server is still running. So all I have to do is go in here, and I can type in since Ngrok HTTP 8080. Great. And now I have an actual host name. This really long GUID attached to a bunch of other stuff. Let me pull that up. There we go. So we're going to keep that open. We have that copied, hopefully. And now I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to type in the address. And if we run the app, we should be good. So let's run the app again. And you can see it says it works. And let's just make sure that, I'm not playing a game. So let's do let's change the string here, right? Then we're going to rerun the server. Now we're going to rerun the app. You're connected. Okay, yeah, I got that contraction wrong. I'm sorry. There, better. Okay, so that's fine and great. But obviously, I don't like the idea of hard coding the address here. Where are you? I don't want to hard code the address here. So what I've built is the ability to essentially run ngrok when you run the server automatically, and then take that URL and store it in a key value table somewhere on the internet. Let's see, what was that server that I found? There was a service that I found that it's simple. Ah, there it is. I'll share that. And of course, there was Ngrok. I'll share that in chat as well. If you're on chat or if you're on the stream, please do say hello. I'd love to see who's on. So yeah, we're gonna copy that. Let's create a new tab. Nope, that's not what I meant. It actually is what I meant, but there we go. So this is called KVBDB, but it's a super simple key value database. If you have any suggestions of something even simpler than this, let me know. But I wanted something that wouldn't involve a lot of work just to test this out. So I'm just basically using this, and then if you look here, sure. Yeah, what am I doing? I don't have a password. Log in real quick. But essentially all it does is stores key value pairs. Yeah. Go here. There, test. Hello. You can see I stored the URL in there. And then the idea would be is that in your iOS app, then all I'd have to do is just pull that so I can know where the development server is. Obviously, you put this in the App Store, you would just disable it and hard code that. But for development, it just makes it a lot easier. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So I've created a whole entire infrastructure to talk to Ngrok, essentially. And what I want it to do is, so there's a Ngrok kit. I called it something fairly simple. So there's server. Yeah, here we go. Let me just double checking my changes. Okay. Get rid of this. Then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to undo. We're going to create a brand new lifecycle handler here. So lifecycle handler, from what I read on the Vapor docs, essentially is a way to manage your manage the life cycle as the server is started and not started. So we're going to create one of these. Good. And then, oh, I did have one over here. What am I doing? So let's go back over here. But we don't want it like this. What we do want, so we got the server, and then we have the process, but I'm not going to be creating the process manually. So there's already, let me go ahead and put, there it is. So what I'd like to do is create a library where it could be imported in iOS or on the server, and then it will automatically set up Ngrok for developers. So we have all these apps here. Got it. Okay. So the app is the server app from Vapor. Yeah, I actually just want to get rid of all this, honestly. Okay. This here would do. There we go. Now we have that server. And so we have server here. And we're going to say, we'll just call it Ngrok server. Actually, I'm going to put this over here so I have easier access to it. And then sure. There we go. All right. So actually gonna do that. I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay. Any questions? I'm sure there's plenty, but feel free to chime in on chat and let me know. This is sublimation. Good. Okay, let's build that, and we're going to get a bunch of errors. This needs to be public. That's obvious. There we go. Cool. All right, so what we want is when the server is started, we want it to run. I'm going to put that here. Then we're going to create that termination handler. Get set fatal error because I'm lazy. All right, and then so function types requirement protocol server. Can I just do this? Is this what it's telling me? And then yeah, there we go. Okay, so did boot. We want to implement that. And shut down. We want to implement that. Okay, cool. And then we're going to have access to that server. I don't know what else to call it. And then on did boot, we're going to grab application. Has no initializers. Okay, fine. Create one. Jeez. All right, cool. And then, so did boot. Want to do, excuse me. We want to start tunnel. Perfect. That's also going to be an await. Yep. And then we're going to add that here. Start tunnel. Func async throws. Let's implement it. So here we're going to, we will need an instance of, there was something set up over here. Yeah, Ngrok. Perfect, this one here. So we're gonna call this C. Great, so let's set that up. I know, just relax. Jeez. Just do that now. So CLI, let's see what I had set up. Perfect. So we'll need we'll need the port number. Actually, I'll just do start HTTP port. Like that. Put that there. Put that there. There. Then we're going to grab the port number from our server instance. Let's look. This is where commented old code will help. Where are we? Where did I grab the port? Gita. Perfect. All right. Port. Timeout for 1 minute or 1 second. Try that out for now. So there's the issue of what if you already have an instance running. Obviously, if you run Ngrok and you're on the free service, you can't start another tunnel. So what we want to do is be able to kill the tunnel and then restart a new one using the API. So they have a local HTTP 4040 API that you can use to kill it and then start a new tunnel, which is what we want to do. So depending on the error that we get back when we start the process, we either want to return that error or we want to take that error and call the API on our local host to kill the tunnel and create a new one. Obviously, this is all configurable at some point, but good. Yep. So this will run the process. Yep. And actually don't. Yeah, we do want to handle. Okay, so. Yeah, so what we're doing here is we're checking and then we have early termination. And we run this. Okay, so process.run. So if it fails, yeah, good. Okay, so we actually want to do and try. And then we're just going to run this as a basic command first, I think. So catch and print the error. Throw. Let's just do that for now. Oh, I gotcha. Okay. Task. Thank you. Let me grab the address to that. I believe it was. Hey, Jay. So, let me know if I need to explain what I'm working on. But essentially, I'm working on a tool for Vapor servers, development Vapor servers to use a dynamic domain and then plug that into the iOS app without having to change a code or a environment variable. So, let's do init. I think this will still work. Ah, yeah, of course. Can I just do that? But of course. What was the old one? The old one it doesn't want me to use. All right, there we go. We had a demo here. So here's our super simple iOS app where we have the Ngrok address. But I don't like the Ngrok address will change every time. So yeah, we're saving that to a key value table service. I posted that in the chat. Okay, so that is good. And then we're going to run the server. And it should run did boot. And I'm going to put, yeah. I built a whole API to talk to, of course, public. Actually, then I'm going to do public init server dot, what was it? Yeah, that one. Because I don't want to have to do that every time. Oh, fair enough. I feel like error reporting in 14 has not been super consistent. It's public. This is public. What's your problem? Let's do it clean. I'm sure it's a red herring. Of course, yeah. No such module as Vapor. All of a sudden. It's totally a red herring here. And then also the other problem I've had with the errors is they'll pop up and then they'll go away, which is really annoying. So for those of you who are listening, how's the sound quality on this microphone? Testing 2 microphones, and I want to return them. That can't be the case. Okay, let's go back here. That succeeded. Gotta be kidding me. Target. Ngrok handler. What? Undefined symbol. We just run this. And then we're going to go in here. We're going to do... Now we're going to try that. Okay. Run that again. Okay. Thank you. Glad I sound good. Let's go. Why is it complaining about that? That's a Shure MV7. That's what I had seen 2 blog posts about it. Thank you, Nick. And also what Michaela had recommended. So that's why I went with that. I don't know. It's expensive. Either go with this or my usual ATR 2100, which I have a bunch of other gear laying around this office that I'm testing out. If you want to hear me test out the mic with different configurations, I have a YouTube playlist of test recordings of me saying welcome to another episode of Empower Apps. So it's super exciting if you're interested. So why is this not... XLR. I'm actually running XLR through a cloud filter. It's the Focusrite, which is $10 cheaper. I bought the Focusrite and the let's see if we can see this. Oh, sorry, PreSonus. So testing out both. I have had issues with USB on my Mac Studio, my very expensive Mac Studio. So I'd rather it run through XLR just because I don't trust the USB on this thing. What's pod mic? Pod mic, I assume. Undefined. Let's do... Such a weird thing that it gets this undefined symbol thing. Is it, Jay, are you connected via USB or XLR? Interesting. Let's take a look at our Swift package. Oh, well, that would be why. That would be why. Yeah. I've had issues with the USB on this Mac Studio. It's been frustrating. Acquired by package. Found. That cannot be true. Did I do something wrong with the way I... That's right. And then let's just run this real quick. Okay. Yeah, well, that's why. build. Good. Okay. So now let's add that package dependency in. Sublimation. Who knows what sublimation is? Like, where does that word come from? Product sublimation required. Not found. Oh, okay, okay. Package. Probably not spelling it right or something stupid. Yeah, of course it is. Sublimination. Is that spelled right? Let's just look up the term. There we go. I knew that wasn't how it was spelled. Sublimation. Okay, Jay, I'm going to send you this playlist I uploaded of me testing, and I'd love to hear your feedback. I'll post that in the chat later. Okay, sublimation. Sublimination is not what it's called. Thank you. And then we got to go. Of course, I can't spell the word. All right, let's try this out. Yay! I learned how to spell sublimation. All right, if I'm going to create a package, I should know how to spell it. Okay, let's run the server now. Good. Okay, this is good. This is good. So this is what I want. What command did I run? Yeah, I mean, I want this to fail. Unselected selector sent to instance. Okay. Terminating app due to blah, blah, blah. Let's look at that call again. Where was that? Here. It runs process. I didn't put in arguments. That's that would be why. Duh. Okay. So we have to pass in the arguments. That would be HTTP and the port number. All right, let's try that server again. Perfect. Your account is limited. This is the error that I want. So what I need to do, what I want to do is see if it has this. Let me just look up on their website what that means, just to verify that that is consistent error. Yeah, that is the consistent error. So we need to just find this string in our error. Now, when we get early termination, process timeout, I need to grab what the error is from here. And I think it's like, yeah, standard error out. Is there a better one? Let's look this up. Process standard error. Which can either be a handle or pipe object. I've done this before. Just give me some standard. Oh, let's see, sharp. Just give me like just boilerplate code. I don't even want to like look this up. Okay, cool. So I should be able to do. Yeah, I should create a pipe. We're gonna set that pipe. We just want standard error. We don't really care about task launch. And then when it's done, we should just go in here. What I could do, run error early termination. Yeah, but code. We're gonna put the code in here. So then we're gonna go and we're going to, yep, we already did that. We go in here. Wait. Semaphore result. Yep. And we're going to do pipe file reading, it looks like. Read to end. That will give us a nice string. And then we're going to parse out. Oh, it's data. Okay. And then we're going to get text, yada yada, data, UTF-8. This is going to be optional, probably. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, of course. I'm going to be really lazy about this. Not as lazy as you think, but... Going to grab that, put that in there, and then I want... I just want the part where it says this. Ugh. Anybody know how to do the new regex stuff? Expression, Swift, regex. Oh, it's gonna complain. Sorry, I'm gonna do it the old way. Regex, NS regular expression, pattern. Then, do they accept character classes? So we want... Yeah, I'd love to do it the new way, but I just don't want to... I don't want to deal with having to only support Mac OS 13. NS regular expression. Because they don't... Yeah, digit ranges. There we go. They don't do... They don't do character classes, which is a pain in the neck. Okay. There we go. First match text, which of course is optional. I'm just going to do that. This is ugly, but I just want to test it out and make sure it works. Whoops. range. So first match gives us capture group. Let's double check. Well, I'm just going to do this because I am lazy. But I'm pretty sure we want... oh, yeah, okay. No. Call can try. Where's the try? There we go. Yeah, I'm doing that for now. And I'm doing this for now. Yeah, it's hideous, but I just want to test this regex out. Cool. So we got data. Data should give us text. Yes. Let's take a look at that text. Yeah, nice. Start. It's gonna. Yay, we got a match. I think it's gonna be range. Oh, come on, dump. Okay. Get rid of that. Checking result. Well, that didn't help much. So we'll just get rid of that. Oh, I want this. Perfect. Okay. So let's PO match dot group match dot range. Yes. Good. Okay. So this is what we want. All right. Cool. So that gives us, that's going to give us that number because you can tell it's 3 characters long. So then all we have to do is do this if let range equals that text dot range. How do you make a convert NS range to regular range? Code string equals text range in text. That should be it. Value is optional, of course. So now we're just going to do this because I don't want to deal with it. Range. That should work, right? Why does that not work? Oh, is that on optional? Okay, that would be why. That would be why. Great. Now we're going to go back all the way here. Error code int. Error code equals int. Error code string. And then use that here, and it's going to complain that it's never set, which is what I want. And then we'll do this for now. Even though I could totally do a far and set it initially, but I don't want to do that, so. Cool. Now, let's go back here to our server. Nope, to here. And we're going to go to here, and we're going to, cool. Yep. So catch error. Error as CLI. Ngrok run error. Yep. And say guard. Actually, we're going to say if run error. Wait, why can't we do termination? And what was that code? Ugh, I forgot the code. I have it in my search somewhere. When I wait. Just kind of curious to see if this would work. You know what? Actually, what I want. I want to do case let. Swift enum case error catch. Ah, perfect. Okay. Catch. Perfect. So if that happens, early termination totally is. Don't know why it's giving me that. Yeah. Shut up, you. Okay, so that in that case that's fine. So now we need to grab the API. Actually, we need to do actually, we don't want to do that. We want an instance of it. There we go. So this is my own library I use for base APIs. I use it for MailChimp and YouTube and some other services. I'll provide a link to that right now in chat. It is not documented yet because I have not gotten around to it. And it is not perfect by any means, but I'm using that right now for some APIs that I access. So yeah, we need to just have to remind myself how to access it. What's everybody else working on right now? Anything cool? Got it. There we go. It's a client. Perfect. Okay. Then we go ngrok.api. We'll just use URL session shared, but that I don't want to necessarily lock that in because yeah, it does. That's a weird one. Oh, that's why. I should name that something else. Type Ngrok API does not conform to API. Yeah, it does. It's so weird. Oh, well, because it's the type, dum-dum. There we go. Sorry about that. there's the default API. Let's make sure. I'm going to go to the Ngrok page and double check that. Perfect. And that is public. Okay, where it's public. Cannot be referenced. Oh, okay. No problem. So I want to actually make this a variable. And then we're going to go up here. And we're going to say it's a client. Hold on. This gets good. Yep. Server cannot be constructed. So we need to pass a client in. I think, yeah. So what we'll need to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to set up client application dot client and then create 1 second. So there's that. I'm actually going to make that here. Set up client. I forgot what it is. Let client equal perch. Sorry. I shouldn't have used that term. I should have used session. API. And then what does this? Needs to be a session. Change that to session. Set up session. And session. Let's try that for now. Yeah, it's gonna. Yeah. We're gonna run into an issue with this because. Yeah. We know for a fact this is going to be run. We know this is going to be run on Vapor. So probably we should just assume that it will be on the Vapor session. So ngrok.api. And then I need to import the perch. Oh my gosh. Oh geez. Safari's acting nuts. All right. go. Perch vapor. So I'm going to bring that in. I think the latest version. Copy that over. And then where did we put? Yeah, there we go. So Perch Vapor adds support for the Vapor HTTP client. Clearly is a library here. Oh, I added it to the wrong spot. Yeah, that's all right. Oh, did I have the generics in the wrong order? Session and then API type. Okay. And actually, I want to make this a var, and I want to make it optional. Perfect. And then we still need that setup call. So let's do that. Let me see, how do I create one of these? So I need a Vapor client. Okay. Great. And then we're going to do that. move that over here, and then we're going to call it on did boot. See if that works. Perfect. So now we have our client. And then here, yeah, I'm wondering, can we do this? Just kind of curious. Every pattern. Okay. So yeah, can we do where let? I think this would be possible, right? Guard let client equal self client else throw whatever. What? Missing client not set up. Something like that. Error. Error. Now we can tap into the API, and we could request, let's delete tunnel. Let me look. List tunnel, list tunnels. So I need to list the tunnels first. So let's do that. Actually, what I want to do is this, because we know it runs, so that's fine. And then we need to grab actually what we want to do. This is good. Let's do this client. Whatever this is. Yep. And then client equals our client. Catch, throw, error. No. Do the fun stuff. Request. List tunnel request. And then I'm going to get see what this does. course. Let's take a look at that list tunnels and make sure that tunnel response. Yeah, there we go. This should be public. There we go. First, guard, let tunnel, else, throw Ngrok, server error, cannot delete tunnel, or no tunnel found. And we're gonna call client dot request delete tunnel. What was it? Stop tunnel. Stop tunnel request. And then that needs stop tunnel request. Here we go. Ugh, don't set any of this stuff. Let's just take a look at their API real quick. So that's just a delete. There. What am I doing as far as path is concerned? Yeah, okay. Name. Then all I have to do is make this public. Great. Now I can go in here. The name should be tunnel name. Great. And let's go ahead and add that up there. Try await. Then we've stopped the tunnel, so now we just need to start a new tunnel using the API. And yep, there we go. So it's client.request Ngrok tunnel request port Oh, did we not do that? State list. I don't think I made that into a request. Let's just double check real quick. Oops. Oh, it doesn't look I did. Let's make that request then. Struct start tunnel request. Request. I think this is essentially it, but that's a post. Path is the same one. Query parameters, none. Headers, none. I don't know what this name is. I gotta figure that part out. I think this is the one. Yep. Perfect. That's great. Oh, I see what it's doing. this. So we should get a tunnel back. Great. And we're just going to print that tunnel out. The URL. All right. Let's run our server and see what happens. Oh, I see. We'll call this old tunnel. Old tunnel. There we go. Oh, okay, got it. Good. Try. Oh, wait. Properties are initialized. Got it. How do we get around this? I'm wondering, could we... Yeah, there we go. Good. All right, let's run the server and see what happens. So you gotta step through this. Put that there. Put that there. Oh, interesting. Not running the server still. Let me just make sure of that. Okay. Go there. Step in there. So what was that? The server was not set up yet? Bad access? Okay. Let's try. Just because I have a feeling that's probably what the issue is. Wait. HTTP. Did not shut down before terminating. That worked. Can I grab? I should probably just grab the port number. Shared configuration port. Let's do that. What is the port? Yay. Okay, so that should work. I get here. Error code 108. Perfect. And then we list the tunnels. Okay, why is it doing that? Don't need to step through this. It's like blanking out. I wonder if we have to run it on main actor. Let's try it. Okay, fine. I'm gonna try something crazy. Oh, I see. It's never getting here. That's probably what it is. Okay. Okay. So let's get rid of that. Let's try something crazy. Actually, I'm gonna try this one more time. Let's get rid of all of these. And we don't need 2 windows. We're gonna go back up here. And then we're gonna go here. We're gonna go here. Wonder if we have to run this on like a different event loop or something. Just look here what is going on. Because it kind of stops right there. Mm-hmm. So it does that. Let's go in here. What's our status code? Oh, yeah. It's 404. What is the URL we're running? That's not the base URL. That's probably what it is. Let's go back here. Yeah, that's not right. Because then I think we're already adding API tunnel to everything. It's just a simple error. It was throwing an error the whole time. All right. Through that. Yes. Yes. Good. So now we go here, and now it's going to try to stop the tunnel. I don't want this and this and this. I just want that one. What's our HTTP status? 204. Perfect. Ugh, I think we lost ourselves. We should do a catch. That's part of our problem there. So let's do that. Perfect. I'm just going to run through it. I'm not going to... No tunnel found. Okay. So why is that? Let's take a look. Clear these. So our tunnels are empty. Well, maybe we just don't... Here, let's try this. If old... Maybe we deleted it and... Let's try that. No. Oh, nice. Decoding error. I mean, that's good. Go to request. And then let's look at what we're getting here. We got a 200. So there was no tunnel. Got a 415, which I think. That's probably because I didn't. There we go. Unsupported request. Let's look at our server. Yeah, we don't actually have an active server, so there's something wrong with our start tunnel request. Oh, I know exactly what the problem is. It tells us right there. We need to specify the content type. Thank you. Very actually friendly error message. Okay. Let's try that again. Okay. No tunnels. That's right. So there's no tunnel to shut down. I think we created the tunnel. And we have a URL. Awesome. Awesome. We did it, guys and gals. Nice. So I'm going to go ahead and check this in and commit it. You could take a look at it and let me know if you have any questions. If you enjoy this, please take some time to like and subscribe. Really appreciate everybody joining on this stream. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter or YouTube. Everybody have a great day, and thank you for joining. Bye.